In this video, I'm going to show you how I can make coffee while sailing without a gimbal stove. So if you don't have a gimbal stove, you can rig up something like this with wires or bungee or whatever. This is the first time I've done this, so bear with me. Once the water starts to boil, which it is, you whoa, careful not to jibe. Alright. Make sure you're on a good point of sail. You're not about to crash into anything, of course. Here, let's turn this off. Then just unhook the bungee cords like so. There. Nice cup of warm coffee on a cold day will do wonders to lift up your spirits and just make you feel good. It's liquid inspiration. Well, this is a successful experiment, I'd say. Fashioned a makeshift cup holder with this bit of sail tie here so it doesn't spill over while I'm doing all this stuff. So you don't have to do without just because you're roughing it out here in the Gulf of Mexico. That sailboat passed me. That's Minnesota Island, I think. Yeah, that's Minnesota. And that one up there is Gasparilla. Alright, so coffee. Then you take this plunger, you plunge it like so. That's the air pot, by the way. My favorite little coffee maker at the moment. I've been using it for years. It makes great coffee. We're gonna sail all the way past Boca Grande like this. Something wrong with the engine. I don't know. I'm gonna take it apart in a sec and see what the problem is. Can't get it to work, then I'll just put in my other engine. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.